Hello class 9, good morning. In chapter 5, we are going to discuss the last programming question of the exercise. This is the last programming question of the exercise. Question is, a shopkeeper sells two calculators. How many calculators? Two calculators for the same price. Price of the calculator is same for both the calculators. He earns 20% profit on one. On the first calculator, he earns a profit of 20% and suffers a loss of 20% on the other. And in the second calculator, he gets a loss of 20%. So see, make the question clear. In the first calculator, the shopkeeper earns a profit of 20%, and in the second calculator, suffers a loss of 20%. Now write a program to find and display his total cost price of the calculators by taking their selling price as input. The question is asking that we have to input the selling price. Okay, both the calculators have got the same selling price and calculate total cost together. So what is the formula is given? CP equal to when it is profit. When it is profit, the CP equal to SP by 1 plus profit by 100. Okay, when profit, and CP equal to SP by 1 minus loss by 100 when it is loss. So there are two formulas. When it is profit, CP equal to SP by 1 plus profit by 100, and when it is loss, CP equal to SP by 1 minus loss by 100. So you can see the question in the book. So let us start the program. We are going to input, so we have to import the package import java.util because inputting is there. Class name, total cost price, scanner class created, system out println, enter the selling price. So we have entered the selling price. Double, you can take int also, sp equal to in dot next double, in dot next double. So we input the selling price. Now this selling price is same for both the calculator. No need to input two different selling price for the first calculator or second calculator, because question is asking say that both the calculators have got the same price. So on this selling price we have to calculate 20% profit, and for the second case 20% loss, and then we'll add both the cost price, that will be the total cost. Alright, once again, on this selling price, we will calculate first 20% profit and then second cost price 20% loss, and we'll add both the cost price, so that will be the total cost price. Now see, double CP1. CP1 means cost price 1 equal to when it is profit. When it is profit, cost price 1 equal to SP by 1 plus 20 by 100. So this is the given formula. So you have calculated, this CP is calculated for the first calculator. Now double CP2 equal to SP by 1 minus 20 by 100. So this is the 20% loss for the second calculator. Now double TC for total cost. The total cost equal to cost price of the first calculator, which has got 20% profit, plus cost price of the second calculator with the loss of 20%. We have added both the cost price, so that has become the total cost. A system out println total cost price equal to TC. Program over. So once again see, question was that shopkeeper sells two calculator. In first one gets 20% profit, second one gets 20% loss. Both the calculator have got the same price, selling price. So we have input the selling price. So we have to find out the total cost of both the calculator. According to formula, cost price of the first calculator SP by 1 plus 20 by 100. When it is loss, CP2 equal to SP by 1 minus 20 by 100. So you have calculated the CP of both the calculator, added the CP of both the calculator, that is the total cost, and printed the total cost. So this was the last question of this chapter. I think you have understood. Write all these programs in the copy. Thank you.